It's been some days since my Baba lost her sister. So it is a sad time. It's been a saddest moment in this family. I pray so that God can heal them. Yes, it is sad. So welcome cousins to my YouTube channel. And if it is your first time to be here, welcome to Cousin Family, a home of peace, love, and motivation. My name is Judith. I'm a Ugandan. I am a housemaid working in Saudi Arabia. Thank you for being here. You are so precious. And if you are a solar out there, today my message is for you because I see you. Any Asola out there, it doesn't matter where you're abroad, it doesn't matter where you're back home, it doesn't matter wherever you are a Asola cousin. This is for you. So I know sometimes life is hard. Remember, keep pushing forward, even when the road gets tough, even when you have so many reasons to say enough is enough. Please don't give up. So, in today's video, since it has been 2 days, like we decided to cook food for ourselves. Yes, we decided to cook food, our normal food, not the food with so much what, because we didn't have chicken like we wanted to make our meal so that we can finish the day with food. Okay, cousins? So thank you for being here. So, cousins, your dedication and resilience are what sets you apart from other cousins out there. Remember, your journey is still awaiting for you on the other side. Don't lose hope. Keep holding on. Just know this is just for a moment. Every situation you're going through right now, it's never gonna be permanent. Sometimes you have to be in that situation so that you can learn, so that you can evolve, so that you can grow. Life is a journey. So embrace your journey, embrace your uniqueness. Your hustle today will pave the way tomorrow. Your hustle today will pave the way to your own success tomorrow. So keep shining and never ever give up on your dreams. Your dreams are what truly matters in this world. Yes, and the strength of our dreams, we don't need to forget it. The relentless spirit that resides within each of us, because I have it, you also have it. You have that spirit in you. If you could take time and discover what spirit you have inside you, your journey will be worth. So, cousins, life is a journey filled with obstacles, filled with moments of tests in all aspects. But it is in these moments that we discover who we truly are and what we truly want in life. Yes. At times, it is good to dream, but dreams alone are not enough. When you dream, you need to do more than dreaming. You have to do actions because when you dream just, it simply means your dreams are just gonna be to waste. But when you try so much as you can to put your dreams into action, the results will be great. Remember, it always starts with you. It starts with the vision of what you could wanna be in life. It starts with you as a person because dreams alone are not enough. Yes, they require so much in that they require action, they require your willingness, commitment, and they require your unwavering belief because people out there are going to discourage you on your dreams. Everything you want to pursue out there, they're going to tell you it can't happen. They are going to make sure they remind you of the first people who tried it and failed. So, dreams alone are not enough. You need more than that. You need to believe in yourself as a person. Hmm? You must be willing to put it in work, to put it in action. You must be willing to hustle for it. You must be willing to push through the doubts of fears that may come your way to hold you back at that moment, whereby you need to pursue what you want in life. Cousin, remember, success is not easy at all. We have all experienced it right now. It is not easy. It is a road that is filled with so many ups and downs. And there will be times when you feel like giving up and say, enough is enough, I'm tired of this life, why am I still pushing on? There will be moments like that in your life. But when the weight of the world seems so heavy for you to bear, cousin, remember, it is in these precise moments whereby you need to give up. Those are the very moments whereby you need to push it. Sometimes when someone just says it, you feel like it is not even entering your head. I get you, cousin. I get you. In those moments when you feel like it is difficult for you to take it in, that is the moment whereby you need to dig deep. Dig deep. Find the strength to keep going. Embrace your struggles, for it is gonna shape you into the person you are truly meant to be. Hmm? Truly meant to be. They don't define you. Every obstacle that comes your way, it is an opportunity for you to grow. Every failure is a lesson that you have to learn from. So don't be afraid to shake in. Don't be afraid to stutter at times. Don't be afraid to be scared at times. It is okay. Yeah. It is part of your journey. What matters most is when all of that happens, when you're shaking, when you're shivering, when you're scared to do something. When it all happens, what after happens? Like when it happens, what's next for you? Hmm? What is next for you? What matters is how you rise after every fall. You need to stand bold. Stand bold and tall. Dust off yourself of that trap that you have gone through and keep moving forward because you have so many reasons to keep you pushing. Your dreams are number one reasons. As you chase your dreams, cousins, remember the small victories that are going to come your way. Celebrate them. Like when you find something that is great, even if it is small, that it has happened to you, acknowledge it. Acknowledge. I challenge you today to embrace your hustle. Cousin, I challenge you today to embrace your grind. And let your passion drive you always in whatever you do. And let your determination guide you always in what you do. You have the power to create the life you desire in this world. Nobody can stop you. Yes. Don't wait for the perfect moment to create it. Just start now. Believe in yourself. Trust the process when you're starting. Never give up on your dreams. The world is waiting for your greatness. Cousin, go out there and show them all you are truly made of. Cousins, if it is your first time to be here, cousin, please welcome. I wanna please ask you to please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Welcome to Cousin Family. You need to keep pushing forward even when the path is steep. The obstacles may seem unsolvable. It's about having a grit to push into diversity. Like at times, that is what God prepared you to go through to become the better you. Like God knows that when they decide to give you what you are asking for right now, maybe you couldn't know how to handle it better. So when you encounter difficulties in life, remind yourself that every setback is a comeback. Each challenge you face today is an opportunity for you to evolve better than you, to become stronger than you are right now. So embrace your struggles, for it is in these struggles that you will find your strength tomorrow. Your dreams are your number one priority in life. Your dreams are the fuel that ignites your passion. They are the visions that you inspire to be. They are the visions that inspire you to wake up every moment with a purpose, every morning with a purpose. So, dreams alone are not enough. I know we love them, like when we have that beautiful dream filled with whatever we want in life. But dreaming alone is not enough. No, dreams require more than wishing full thinking. They require action. Break your dreams down into small steps that you can reach. Set clear goals. Don't set goals, even you yourself, when you know that you can't achieve them. No, set goals that you know that when I'm focusing on this thing, I can definitely get it. Just focus on that. Create a roadmap to guide you in your own journey. Visualize your own success. I repeatedly, cousin said this each and every day. We need to visualize our own success in life. Picture yourself achieving your goals. Yes, even if you don't have them right now, picture yourself having your goals. How would you behave right now if you have your goals? Hmm? Let that vision motivate you. Surround yourself with who always remind you of your dreams. Surround yourself with images that remind you that you have to keep pushing your dreams. You can also have a vision board. It is okay. You can also write down what you need in life. And sometimes when you feel like you're losing it, you need to open it and check what you need to push on. So keep your dreams at the front line of your mind and let them guide your decisions and actions. Because each of us has a relentless spirit inside them. A fire that can be extinguished. It's that inner voice that tells you to keep going when the going gets tough. You know that voice? Hey, it's in you. So cultivate that spirit with a nurturing positive mindset when it tells you something. Like cousin, when you follow your instincts, they are always right. So practice gratitude along your journey. Focus on your own strength and celebrate your own progress. When self-doubt creeps in, when you even yourself you don't believe in your dreams, you have dreams that you want to pursue, but even you as a person, you feel like you can't reach them, definitely nothing can happen in your life. So when self-doubt creeps in, Menhada! Bismillah. So when Shanta, mashallah. So when self-doubt creeps in, show ya, ana sawi video an. When self-doubt creeps in, when self-doubt creeps in, I challenge you, cousin, those negative thoughts in you. Replace them with affirmation of your capabilities. Remind yourself of the past success and that hard work you have got out there. Replace them with affirmations of capabilities and remind yourself of the past success that and the hard work that you got through. So you are resilient than you can even realize. You have the power to overcome every challenge. So cousin, I'm sorry about that sound that you heard me speaking. My cousin, Ethiopian cousin, had gone to shopping because she said she no longer want to work. So she has brought bags. She's going back into her own country. Yes, so she has bought bags. So she scared me. I was scared. So cousins, as you embark on this journey, remember that you don't have to do it alone. Yes, we can always be here for you. In the pursuit of your dreams, it is easy to get caught up in the end goal and overlook the small victories along your way. But remember, you need to acknowledge you as a person. So, in today's meal, we decided to make two meals at a time. We have the other meal and we have this meal. Me, I normally like meal with tomatoes. That is why I had to make another meal. Like me, I normally like food with tomatoes inside. When food does not have tomatoes, I just feel like something is missing in the food. So I had to make that tomatoes. So as you stand on the brick, Listen, as you as you stand on the brink of the journey, remember that you have the power to shape your destiny. Embrace the challenges and believe in yourself. She's so excited because she's going back in her country. She's so happy. Trust in the ability to preserve and the road to belong. But every step you take belongs brings you closer to your own goals. Acknowledge your journey and embrace it. Let your passions ignite you. Let your passions guide you. Your determination can be your compass tomorrow, and your dreams be your destination tomorrow. So embrace your journey. The world is waiting for your unique contribution out there. Go out there, make it happen, cousin. Nothing is impossible. This is a precious message to all my cousins. Remember, keep pushing forward even when you have reasons not to. Even when the road gets tough, your dedication and your resilience are what sets you apart from other people out there. Remember, every setback is a comeback. Stay focused on your goals, embrace your grind, and never underestimate the power of hard work. Never underestimate the power of determination. Surround yourself with positivity and learn from your experiences. Keep striving for greatness. Your hustle today will pave the way tomorrow. If it is your first time to be here, cousin, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. You are always welcome to Cousin Family, a home of peace, love, and motivation. You are so precious to be here. I truly appreciate you, my favorite cousins. I adore you. So keep shining out there and never always give up on your dreams. You have to keep pushing. Believe in yourself. Trust the process. Yes, the world is waiting for your greatness. Go out there, show them what you are made of because you have the power to do that. Okay, cousin? Let your passion be your guide, let your determination be your own compass, and your dreams be your destination. The world is waiting for your unique contribution, cousin. Remember, life is precious. Yes, you have got this. Nothing is impossible. Only believe in yourself. Trust the process. Never ever feel like you want to give up on life. The world is waiting for your uniqueness. So this was the meal for that day. I don't like it's that it didn't have like chicken. I don't like food without tomatoes. So I had to make sure that I make a meal like this one. Yes, I would say the meal was good. I enjoyed it. Yes. Thank you for being here, my precious cousin. Always return back to my channel. Sending you lots of love. I truly appreciate every cousin out there who watches my video. You are so precious. Who likes my videos? You're so precious. Who subscribe to my channel? I'm truly grateful. Just know I'm truly grateful. Thank you so much.